There was a house full of musical cats who lived without a care in the world until a knock on the door changed it all forevermore. And will they ever take care of this little girl? Timmy the young one wants her to stay. He's so sure she'll be a cat one day. Look at King Tommy sitting on his throne, pretending that he knows just what's going on. Though it's so cool and as sharp as a tack, she's nobody's fool, you better watch your back. While the nice looks on, playing a song, steering things right when it seems like they're going so wrong. And then look at it, and all she wants to be is a cat. As if there'd ever be anything she'd want to be more than that. And even though the cat is living with a house full of cats, Kitty is not a cat.
Although cats have no perception of the future, Kitty was not a cat, and therefore King Tubby had decided to indulge her human obsession with the future by forcing the house to put something together.
So when aliens, neighbours or one of us accidentally digs up the time capsule, they will find a heap of information about our wonderful household.
Meow?
Ah, yes, the colourful pebbles and plastic seaweed came with the tank. I mean capsule. Oh, and the detergent is in there because the Naz King's buying the apple-scented one, and I hate it. Anywho, I have set up a camera in the lounge, and I would like you to each get an object that means something to you and record a video message about why it's special, and then place it into the capsule.
Hello there, I'm Petal. Most would refer to me as the motherly type, which is fine. I like looking after everyone. But let me tell you, when I'm underappreciated, I kick off.
Wow, they smell amazing!
What's with the jacket, Petal? Oh, I was feeling a little cold. Anyone want to try one of these? Psych! Clean that mess up, you filthy animals. See, I told you. That's why I'm putting this leather jacket in the time capsule. I think I looked pretty cool in it, but that little walk on the wild side was enough for me, thank you very much.
What's going on? I'm Spook. I'm always having a laugh, but I'm also very responsible. Yeah. This one day, I babysat Kitty and I did a bang-up job. Kept her well safe. We got quite enough dangers inside without the nonsense out there. Okay, maybe just one more look. Hey, Kitty! A little help? See? You can never be too safe.
Hello, last chance here. I am obviously on my last life, hence the name. Listen, if there's one thing you should know about me, it's that despite running out of lives, I am happy to put myself in danger. Last life, schmast life. For example. Now, what we have here, Kitty, is a ticking machine that is no longer ticking. Now, a human would take a look at all the moving parts and decide to make a call to someone who knows what they are doing. Whereas we cats, we like to climb inside and get a real feel for things ourselves. Uh-oh, this isn't good. Well, I certainly felt that. Could use some help here. That was quite a time. Get it? Ha 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 ha. This'll fit. No problemo.
Oh, hi camera thingy. I'm Timmy Tom, Kitty's best friend. I pretty much only do fun stuff with Kitty. So I'm going to tell you a story about when we tricked the weird kid from next door.
Huh? Huh?
Follow my lead.
Stanley? Is that you? You're a natural. Mom!
That was pretty funny. The piano was too big, so I just drew a picture of us in it. Hi, I'm Luna. I'm one of the younger cats, but I'm pretty serious and worldly. But this whole future thing, I don't get why humans obsess about it. It's stressful.
I've never worried about a thing in my life, and now it's crazy. Will my adult cat teeth grow in straight? Will my whiskers even out? Will I become a better singer? Is Luna a weird name? Are cats inherently selfish? Will I get to retire and take boat holidays? Is life meaningless? How can you ever go back when you know the future? It's too scary. Surely it's not gonna snow in here? Where's the...
Don't worry, it's a replica. But do you think it knows it's going to the future? Is it already there? Am I in the future? Oh no, it's happening again.
Just give me a sec. Oh, yeah, Ted? You're right. That is a great story about the bear. Yeah. I'm using it for this time capsule thing. How much to tell the story? Okay, my money is on the way. Hey, I'm Cheetah, the brains of this here operation. Just got permission to tell you a great story from Ted for a steal.
It's a bear. I can see that. I bought it off a guy called Ted. Right, so it's Ted's bear. Technically not correct, but certainly the closest anyone has been so far.
Just look at the size of it.
And its teeth.
And its claws.
It's so realistic. Ha! Pound for pound, the greatest teddy ever.
Well, at least no one will be able to eat this teddy.
No, but this teddy might eat Kitty.
Ah, he's harmless. Ain't you, big guy? Yes, you are. Yeah, you. What a riot! Anyway, I didn't want to wake it, so I just got a little fur.
Hi, I'm Miley. I'm a true artiste at heart, but when I tried to make a film, realizing my vision was rough. Exterior, icy plain, day, as our brave heroine clambers over jagged ice crystals. In the distant blizzard, she spots a grotesque beast. Stop. This isn't working. Tubby, you're supposed to be the director.
Huh? Cut! Oh, this is boring. We need more explosions.
What we need is...
More lights?
More microphones.
More blizzard.
Prop department, I ask for jagged ice crystals.
Use your imagination, Miley. Look out! Scary UFO!
Molly, how do I say my line? Is it what's for dessert or what's for dessert? Luna, you have one line.
Question. How do I turn this on?
You mean you haven't been recording? This is a better treatment of my script than they gave it.
Well, I am King Tubby, the king of the household, obviously. Also the favourite, neck and neck with Kitty. Well, anyway, I'm sure you've heard a whole lot about me, especially about my incredibly good teaching skills. Kitty! Kitty, not so fast! Kitty! Oh, where are you? Where are you? Now, Kitty, the thing about lions is we never, ever wander off alone. Wait, Kitty! Lions never go down dark alleyways! stay very quiet. The most fundamental knowledge a lion can instill in its cub is an instinctive awareness of when to run! I'll pop this little number in there too as a good reminder of my fierceness. Rawr!
So, Kitty, I was listening in to everyone's stories, and you know what? They all had one thing in common. You! You sure are a favorite around here. When we're up here playing music and trying to work out the mess the others got you in, these are my favorite times, and I see many more in our future. So look at the camera, kid, because this little song is what I'm putting in that time capsule.
Meow.
There we go. All done.
Cheetah, the NAS is still filming and half the cats haven't even done their videos.
Uh-oh. Well, grab a shovel.
A time capsule can be perfect for capturing memories, and it can also be great for realizing how many more you have ahead. One thing was for sure, the household had a lot of fun, especially with Kitty.